Reverse engineering a deep neural network, DNN, from a Python library to a dataset can be a complex and challenging task, especially without access to the original source code. However, it is possible to gain some insights into the model and the dataset it was trained on. Here's a general approach you can follow. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. 1. Collect information about the model. Determine which Python library was used to create the DNN. Common libraries include TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, and scikit-learn. Knowing the library will provide some insights into the architecture and training process. 2. Model architecture. If the model architecture is not explicitly available, you can try to reverse engineer it by analyzing the layers and parameters used in the model. You might need to load the model weights if they are available. 3. Weights and parameters. If the model weights are accessible, you can load them to see the specific values associated with each layer. This can provide insights into the neural network structure and complexity. 4. Inference. Use the model to make inferences on data or generate predictions. This will help you understand the kind of problem the model was designed to solve and its performance. 5. Collect dataset information. If you have access to the dataset used for training the model, you can gather information about its structure, size, and the nature of the data, example images, text, numerical data. 6. Data pre-processing. Understand any data pre-processing steps that were applied to the dataset before training, such as normalization, data augmentation, or text tokenization. 7. Training hyperparameters. Try to gather information about the model's training process, including hyperparameters like the optimizer, learning rate, batch size, and the number of training epochs. 8. Loss function and metrics. Determine the loss function used for training and the evaluation metrics employed to assess the model's performance. 9. Validation and test data. Identify how the dataset was split into training, validation, and test sets. This will give you an idea of how the model's generalization was assessed. 10. Performance analysis. Use the model to generate predictions on the dataset, if possible. Compare these predictions to the actual dataset labels to assess the model's performance. 11. Ethical and legal considerations. Ensure that your reverse engineering efforts comply with ethical and legal standards, particularly regarding data privacy and intellectual property. 12. Documentation and reporting. Document all the information you gather and your findings. Share this information with relevant stakeholders as necessary. It's important to note that reverse engineering a DNN from a compiled model in a Python library may not provide as much detail as having access to the original source code. Additionally, ethical considerations, as well as legal obligations related to data privacy and intellectual property rights, should be carefully observed when attempting to reverse engineer a model. Thank you.